Welcome back to the bus build. On today's episode, we are going to be working on putting a lock on my back door. I got another package in the mail. It's from Skoolie.com. It's their back door lock they made. So here it is. It's a metal plate to go on the back door. Sticker. And then 2 bolts with a nut and a washer. So this metal piece will go right here. I'll drill 2 holes all the way through the bus and put bolts through. And then I'll drill a hole through the handle. And then I'll put a lock right through here to lock it so you won't be able to turn it up and open it. I got my 2 holes drilled and the bolts fit nicely all the way through. I got my metal brace attached. Now I'm going to mark my spot to drill my hole through the handle so then I can attach a lock. I got my hole drilled right here. All I need now is a lock to put through there and my back door lock is complete. My next project I'm working on now is my couch seatbelt. I got another package in the mail. Here's the seat belt. Just a black, regular old buckle. This is the hardware. So these bolts that came with in the pack are a little too short to go through my wood all the way. So I'm gonna have to go to Menards and get my own bolts the right length tomorrow so I can attach the seat belt down here, down to my baseboard. So finish this project up tomorrow. Just got back from Menards. I got my longer bolts, and then I also got a lock that I'm going to put on my back door. So this is a very simple way to lock the back door of a school bus. So here's my new lock. Shut the door. Close that down. Put this through. Just like that, the back door is locked. Nice and tight. Then I got my key. Unlock it. And open my back door up. Here's the longer bolts I got, and then I got some nuts and some washers. So now I'm gonna attach my seat belt to my wood back here so then I can have a passenger ride with while going on little trips. I marked my 2 spots where I'm gonna drill the holes. I got my holes drilled. I drilled this one crooked, so I had to re-drill it. But I got them drilled, sand it down a little bit, and then I'll vacuum this stuff up and put the bolts in. Got my bolt washer. I got the seat belt bolted down. It's nice and tight. I'm gonna throw the cushions on and test it out. Just like that, seat belt's installed, and put it on nice and tight, not going anywhere, rocking the whole bus. So now I can haul a passenger with me on my adventures.